welcome to the Hub of Knowledge. Study start.
Good morning guys, I hope you all are doing well. So as you know that we are doing the European continent, 2 parts we have already done. So today I have come with a new video on MCQ based on the European continent. I have included the questions which we have already done in part 1 and part 2 of European continent. So I hope you can answer these questions easily. So let's start with the question and answers. And one more thing guys, if you have not watched the previous videos on this continent, then you can go to my playlist and watch the videos, or I will provide you the link in my description box. So let's start now. Question number 1. Consider the following statements about Gulf of Bothnia. As I have already told you about this, it is a part of North Sea. No, it is a part of Baltic Sea. And it is situated between Sweden and Finland. Yeah, this is very much right. So the answer would be only 2. This would be the answer. Let me show you it in the map. So guys, you can see this map. As you know that this is the map of Europe, this is Sweden and this is Finland. Here between lies Gulf of Bothnia and it is part of Baltic Sea. So 2 would be the answer. Now let's move to question number 2. Consider the following statements about Gulf of Finland. First is, it is a part of Baltic Sea. Yeah, it is very much right because it is a part of Baltic Sea. It is situated between Russia, Finland and Latvia. No, it lies between Russia, Finland and Estonia. That means the answer would be only 1. So the A would be the answer. So guys, as you can see here that this Gulf, as you can see, this is Finland, and to the north of this Finland country here lies Gulf of Finland. So it is situated between Russia, it is right, Finland, it is also right, but this is not Latvia. As you can see that this is Estonia. So 3 countries are Finland, Russia and Estonia. Now consider question number 3. Consider the following statement about Jutland Peninsula. I have already told you about these things. It consists of Denmark and France. No, it consists of Denmark and Germany. It separates North Sea from Baltic Sea. Yeah, this is very much right. So the answer would be 2. Only 2 would be the answer. B would be the answer. So guys, you can see it over here that this is Jutland Peninsula with the orange color, and here lies Germany and this is Denmark. As you can see it over here. So the countries associated with Jutland Peninsula, Denmark and Germany. So the answer would be 2. And yeah, it separates North Sea, as you can see it over here, and Baltic Sea. So this one statement is right. Question number 4. Consider the following statements about Gulf of Riga. I told you that this is the small gulf. So first statement is, it is a part of North Sea. No, it is very much wrong because it is a part of Baltic Sea. Second is, it separates Estonia and Latvia. Yeah, this statement is right. So answer would be 2, only 2. B would be the correct option. So guys, as you can see in this map, this is Gulf of Riga. As you can see, this is Latvia. The capital of Latvia is Riga, and here lies this gulf. This is Gulf of Riga, and it lies between this Estonia and Latvia. So the statement second is correct. The statement 1 is not right. Why? Because it is a part of Baltic Sea. North Sea lies over here to the west of this Jutland Peninsula. Now question number 5. Riga is capital of which country? This is very easy. Riga is capital of Latvia country. So the answer would be B, as I have told you moments back, if you remember. Question number 6. Consider the following statements about Bay of Biscay. I hope you remember this Bay of Biscay. So first is, it separates Spain and France. This statement is very much right. It lies in Atlantic Ocean. This is also correct. So the answer would be 2. Oh, no, sorry. Here you can see the option is not given. That means we are doing mistake somewhere. What is the mistake? See, let us read this question again. Which of the following statement is incorrect? They are asking about the incorrect statement. Guys, you have to make focus on this keyword. This is incorrect. That means you have to find out which is the incorrect statement. So this is correct, this is also correct, but they are saying incorrect. Incorrect, no one is incorrect. So the answer would be C. Answer would be C, neither 1, neither 2, because neither of the statements are incorrect. So just keep focus on this word incorrect or correct in the examination hall, because in hurry many times we just left out this word and we don't heed attention towards this. So the question which we know already, that becomes wrong in the examination hall. So you just have to keep focus on this word. Now question number 7. Which of the following are Baltic countries? I told you about this also. Estonia, Latvia, Sweden, Finland, Lithuania. So Estonia is a country which is known as a Baltic country, Latvia also, and Lithuania. These 3 countries, 1, 2 and 5 is the correct option. That means C is the correct option. Guys, you can see this map. As you can see it over here that these countries are Baltic countries As you can see that this is Baltic Sea. The sea associated with the Baltic countries is Baltic Sea. And what are the Baltic countries? Estonia, Latvia and Lithuania. Now consider this question number 8. Consider the following statement about English Channel. I hope you remember this English Channel. In the part 1 we have read about it. It separates Netherlands and UK. No, it is very much wrong option. Wrong statement. Why? Because English Channel separates France and UK. Second, is it a part of Atlantic Ocean? Yeah, this is right. So the answer would be only 2. B would be the correct option. Here you can see in this map that this is English Channel. It is not written over here, but this is English Channel, which is separating United Kingdom and France. And it is part of Atlantic Ocean because this is Atlantic Ocean. So the answer would be B, only 2. Now question number 9. Consider the following statements about Strait of Dover. It lies towards the west of English Channel. No, this is wrong statement because it lies to the east of West Channel. It separates France and UK. This is very much right statement. So the answer would be only 2. B would be the correct option. So guys, you can see this map. As I told you that this is North Channel. This is 0 degree prime meridian. So to the west of this here lies North Channel and to the east of this lies Dover Strait, which is also separating UK and France. That means the answer would be 2. Question number 10. The last question. Consider the following statement about Kola Peninsula. So I told you about Kola Peninsula. It is a part of Spain. No, it is part of Russia. Second is it is surrounded by White Sea and Barents Sea. This much is right option. So the answer would be 2. B would be the correct option. So guys, this is the map. As you can see that this is Kola Peninsula. I told you it is a part of Russia. And here to the north of this Kola Peninsula, here lies Barents Sea. And here you can see to the south of this lies White Sea. So the answer would be B, only 2. So guys, this was for today. 10 questions we have done. I hope you are getting the answer of these questions if you have seen my last 2 videos. And if you have not seen, then you can go to my playlist or I will provide you the link in my description box. You can also comment your score in the comment box. So guys, if you like my video, please like it, comment on it, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.